Chris, whoever eats it first gets $2. One. We'll make it $3. One, two, go.
I can't.
Pick it up with your hand then. Yep, take a big bite.
Oh, my tooth hurts.
Well, take a bite of the apple.
Hurry, hurry.
When I bite it, it hurts.
It's okay.
Just eat it.
Oh, don't bite down here then. Bite on the side.
And it'll make it even more scary.
$3 for the winner. Probably were in the fridge too long.
Bite the apple part, Alicia. Not just...
This part?
Yeah, the apple. Take it off the stick if you have to. Just hold it. There you go. You too, Chris, if you want. Who's going to take the biggest bite?
Get the apple part.
Oh, the apple.
You guys are cheating. I had a biggest bite under.
Yeah.
Ah,
Take a big bite, Chris.
really? The apple forced me.
Chris, take a big bite.
Take a big bite, Bubby.
Ah, there's onions in it.
Take a big bite, Chris. Big bite. Big, pick it up with your hand. There you go, now take a big bite. Take another big bite.
When is it gonna happen?
That's the caramel part. Take a bite of the apple.
I'm trying to get to the apple.
Take a big bite of the apple.
What? This?
Yeah, take a big bite right there. Take a big bite. Take a big bite.
Apple?
Yeah, take a bite. Take, Alicia, shut up. Come on, take a big bite, Chris. Chris, looks like you're going to win. Take the biggest bite. Take a big bite.
He probably likes it.
Did I get an apple?